This is $10,000 in off-road parts.
But you do not have to spend $10,000 on parts. All right, so this right here, this setup is $3,000 worth of parts. Now, what we have here is a 295/50 20 open country AT3 and a 20x10 fuel wheel. One of the reasons that this setup is so much cheaper than your typical 6-inch 22s, what we throw on a lot of our vehicles, is because of the sizing. When you go down in size, you are gonna drastically drop the price of your build, as well as the fact when you have a leveling kit, which we have in this setup right here, that is only gonna add $100 on top of your build instead of a lift, which can range anywhere from $15,000 to $15,000.
$15 or 15?
15.
I got you. Okay. All right. So with the actual leveling spacer here, like Pete said, it's only $100 extra to get a bigger wheel and tire package than what stock is. So this package right here is actually really good for people that aren't ready to dive into a full suspension kit, aren't ready to actually spend that type of money on a full build. They just want to kind of make a beefier stance. They just want to kind of customize their vehicle to make it there specifically. So adding that wheel and tire package or adding just a small leveling spacer on top of there is going to get you a different look without having to break your bank. Now, if you want to get a little bit more adventurous and you want to add a little more bang to your buck, you can go with a full like 3.5-inch suspension kit where you're not going full suspension into those 4, 6, 8 and higher. This is just a 3.5-inch kit that you can add onto the vehicle. It's going to replace your front structure, upper control arms, and then sometimes it comes with a rear block or without it, depending upon what you want to do with your truck. So if you add this bad boy into the wheel and tire package here, you're actually going to jump up a little bit to about $5,000 worth of parts. Adding another 1.5-inch suspension kit, a rough country one, it's going to give you about $5,000 worth of a build for your truck or SUV or pretty much anything you want to put it on.
Yeah.
You got it, we can put it on.
Absolutely. And you would, if you wanted to, be able to level up in tire size and wheel size again. Dependent on whether or not, I mean, if you wanted to go really crazy and do some trimming, you could even go bigger.
Yeah,
so
absolutely.
That's your $3,000 and $5,000 package. So with this leveling kit, it's really not taking you too far off of stock. That being said, even if you swap the wheels and tires, the only difference you're gonna feel is if you go with a really, really crappy tire, but the ride quality from the leveling kit won't be affected from the stock one.
Yeah, because you're essentially just keeping the same wheel and tire package on what's on your truck currently, so you're essentially keeping the same stock sizing of what you have on there, unless you're adding, you know, like a 2 or a 3.5 where you can go that much bigger in your wheel and tire package. But essentially just keeping this and swapping out your wheels and tires, it's not going to change your ride quality at all.
Now, this is going to be the Mac Daddy of what we do. This is what you come here to get your truck to look like. This is a package that is a 6-inch suspension kit with 35s running on 2212s, and this kit right here is going to run you right around $10,000.
This is the Krietz Auto Special. If you have been on our website and see all of the internal vehicles that we sell for you, specifically, they all have 6-inch suspension kits, 22x12s and 35s. Now that bit's going to run you right around the $10,000 range for that package. Now, as you can see here, with BDS, Nitto, and fuel itself, this is going to be a $10,000 package. You can put this suspension brand, wheels, tires on anything: Ram, Chevy, Ford, Toyota. Am I missing anybody?
I think you're good.
I think I'm good. I think I got it all. All right, cool. So I got everything on there. So
GMC.
with this package, ride quality, you're going to feel a little bit different in your ride quality just because you are taking a stock truck all the way to a 6-inch suspension lift. So a lot of your factory parts are going to be swapped out, essentially. Front struts, rear shocks, you're going to have the cross members are going to be completely remodified. You have all of your upgraded suspension parts to hold that 6-inch suspension kit and give you still a comfortable ride, but it's not going to ride like a Cadillac, and it's not going to ride, you know, like your stock truck itself, just because of obviously your wheel and tire packages. You're going 2, 3, 4 sizes bigger than what stock is, especially with like your Nittos and your tires. This is where your ride quality is going to come from, is this and that.
Yep.
Not the suspension kit, wheels and tires.
Yeah. If you wanted to go with a 6-inch kit and say bring down that cost a little bit, there are definitely options for you. If you wanted to go with a rough country, even ready lift, they make a in-between lift for the 6-inch. The 6-inch is right around the same price, but a 4-inch or something like that, we can still sometimes fit tires, wheels that are pretty close to these on there. Now, sometimes it will require trimming. And by the way, on a 6-inch, if you wanted to go bigger, I wouldn't technically recommend it, but sometimes we can make stuff happen.
Our techs may get mad at us, but it's fine.
Yeah.
Gotta trim a little bit, it's all right. Any package that you want to do, Krietz Auto can handle it, whether it is just wheels and tires, it's a leveling kit, wheels and tires, it's a 3-inch kit, wheels and tires, it's a 6-inch kit, wheels and tires. Whether you want to spend $3,000 all the way up to $10,000, we're here for your needs, whatever you want specifically. Need more information? Hit us up at KrietzzCustoms.com or 301-694-4642.